In today's video, I'll show you how to navigate the Framer platform to find and use templates effectively. Framer is an incredibly versatile design tool, and using templates is one of the best ways to speed up your workflow. Whether you're working on a big project or just starting something new, templates help you focus on creativity and customization instead of starting from scratch. So let's dive in and make the most out of this powerful tool. To begin, open Framer on your computer. You'll start at the main dashboard, which has a clean and intuitive design to make your navigation effortless. Now look for the Resources section. You don't need to click just yet. Simply hover your cursor over it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. This menu shows several options you can explore. From here, you want to click on Marketplace. Welcome to the Framer Marketplace. This is your treasure trove of templates and design assets, all ready for you to implement into your projects. As you glance through the marketplace, you'll notice a diverse selection of templates categorized for easy browsing. Whether you're looking for something sleek and modern or fun and colorful, there's something here for everyone. Take a moment to explore. Some templates are free, while others come at a cost. If you decide to go with a paid template, just follow the payment process. It's straightforward. But for today's tutorial, let's stick with a free template to get started. When you find a free template that piques your interest, go ahead and click on it. You'll see an option that says Use for Free. Click that, followed by the Copy button. Now, depending on your internet speed and the size of the template, loading might take a moment or two, so just sit tight. Once it's ready, it will appear in your Framer project. You'll see a confirmation button pop up. Give that a click to finalize the import into your workspace. Now here's where the excitement truly begins: customization. Let your creativity run wild as you replace images and tweak the text. Adjust colors to better align with your brand or your specific creative vision. This is your canvas, and tailoring the template lets you infuse your project with personal flair. Take your time perfecting and making sure every element fits your style and project goals beautifully. Once you're satisfied with your design and have everything just the way you want it, it's time to share your work with the world. Click on the Publish option, and just like that, your site goes live. Congratulations, you've successfully selected, customized, and published a Framer template from the marketplace. This process not only saves you time, but also enables you to craft professional and unique designs with ease and efficiency. Enjoy your newly created project and keep exploring the Framer platform for more inspiration.